Let's now get into ramps and hints. So what are ramps? Ramps are the time you can talk into a song before you hit the main content, like the lyrics, or also known as in radio lingo as the post. So in player 2 here, this time of 14.7 is the ramp for this track. It's not playing yet. When it starts playing, this will count down. This little pie circle will fill in with red, giving you a visual indicator as to how far you can talk into the song before the main content starts. Ramps are also useful for the voiceover work. So we've got a few voiceovers in here as well. These orange ones I have labeled here are actually combos, and they have the VO voiceover checkbox on them. So these will actually duck down the content and make sure that they go no further than hitting the post. Now, what about setting ramps? They need to be set manually by you. And I find one of the easier ways to do this is in the library, but they can be set all over the place. They can be set in the players as you're live. You can see there's a ramp button here. If I were to hit this ramp button right now while this is playing, it's going to set the ramp to about 3 minutes into the song. But you can live set these. You can also set them in the track properties player, which you can bring up from any list. You can play tracks here to preview them, listen to them, and set their ramp here. And you can fast forward by 5 or back by 5 to redo. It just makes it easy to do live. So I'm going to go over to the library here. Let's say I have a lot of tracks that need their ramp set. This is a great place to do it. You just bring in your latest playlist of most recent tracks and do it here. Most of mine have it set, but I'm going to import my trance songs here into the library. And I remember that the one I need actually has the name Sunshine, so I'll type that, find it, here it is. Or is it this one? This one. This one has a ramp of 0, so I want to set this ramp. So down here in the library player, I can go ahead and listen to the song and listen for the best place to put that ramp setting. So I'm going to skip ahead, and it's right there. So let me back up. Whoop, missed it by a little bit. Try again. That's pretty good. Okay, so if we play it again, we'll skip ahead and we'll see what that actually looks like. Excellent. So that is how you set ramps. Now, if you want to set the hint, a hint just gives you a clue maybe as to how the song ends. I don't remember how this song ends. I'm not going to actually look at it right now, but just as an example, double click this and open it, or use the track properties button down here. And there's a place where you can give a hint, something about the song. Usually you only use 4 letters, but it will accept several characters here. So I'm going to say, hey, this is a cold ending song, and I want the DJ, whoever's running this, to actually see that, or myself in this case. So I'm just going to put cold there. We close it. We'll see the hint here in this hint column is cold. And if I were to program this, let's put it to the program to the top of the queue here. We'll see that cold is right there. So for right now, I'm going to remove that. And we'll go ahead and take a look at the program queue here and watch an actual ramp live. So for that, I'm going to advance this a little bit. We'll end that track a little bit early. I'm going to advance this track a little bit further. I'm going to turn mute off in a moment. Let me get a little bit closer. And let's turn mute off. And we can hear, this is going to be a very short ramp, but you'll get an idea as to how this works. Player 1 also has an off-ramp here, or time to overlap, where you can start talking. The ramp here is much shorter than the voiceover, so let's see how this works.
All trance, all day, all night. You're listening to Radiologik Trance.
Here's Giuseppe Ottaviani and Eric Lumiere with Love Will Bring It All Around. So what you saw there is that when the remaining of the voiceover matched the ramp of Player 2 started. And that's pretty much all there is for ramps.